Hey beauty artists, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Alana Beman and I teach beauty professionals how to master the art of tiny tattoos with skill and with confidence. Today, I'm walking you through one of the most important parts of the entire process, how to properly measure and place your stencil for a tiny tattoo. So let's just jump right in.
Before you even touch your stencil, the skin must be clean and prepped. Cleanse the area with an antiseptic solution or alcohol wipe to remove oils and bacteria. This helps your stencil stick better and ensures better hygiene overall. Try shaving the area, even if there's barely any hair, to ensure smooth adhesion. Apply your stencil solution or transfer gel evenly, not too wet, not too dry. Line up the stencil carefully, then press it down smoothly from center outward to avoid any bubbles or shifting. Peel back slowly and let the stencil set for 5 to 10 minutes before tattooing. This helps lock in the outline and keeps it crisp during the procedure. Before you even think about starting, step back and look at the placement from multiple angles. Have your client move their wrist or foot slightly. Does the design still sit where it should?
If you want to learn more, or if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, you'll definitely want to check out our tiny tattoo course at Cosmopolitan Academy. Choosing the right academy is no easy feat. We know this if you've been shopping for the right academy. So, if you're searching for the right courses, you'll definitely want to take our free beauty school comparison chart. It will just make sure that your shopping journey is successful, which you'll find in the description link below. Again, my name's Alana Beman, founder of Cosmopolitan Academy and the Diamond Society. You may have seen me on the TV show Legacy Makers or in one of the many publications globally. Don't forget, it's your subscribe that makes it possible for us to keep giving you this free content. So, as our appreciation for your view and your subscribe, please don't forget to take our free beauty school comparison chart to make your shopping in the beauty industry a total success. And we'll see you in our next video where we dive into the business side of the beauty industry, offering before asking to gain the sale. We'll see you there.